Today we have and Esports MK1400 Pro Backlit membrane wired gaming keyboard with mixed color lighting, white and black keycaps, double injection keycaps, black. Let's talk about features. And Esports MK1400 Pro Backlit gaming keyboard comes with stylish 104 keys. Its durable quality and elegant black and white keycap design enhances your gaming and work experience. The lightweight design allows you to take it anywhere with utmost comfort. Compatible with Windows, Mac and Linux operating systems, and it's a good partner for your desktop and laptop. Double injection keycaps in stylish finished suspension keycap, unimpeded, high and low key layout to adapt to human hand tapping motion arc. Easy operation and broad compatibility. As a plug-and-play device, this USB wired gaming keyboard does not need any software support, serving as a great choice for PC, laptop, computer keyboard. It is compatible with Win XP, Win 7, Win 8, Win 10. Strong durability and spill resistance. Tested over 5 million keystrokes, the keyboard is extremely durable to ensure longer service life. Thanks to its spill-resistant design, you do not need to worry about the trouble caused by accidental spills of water anymore. Let's talk about price. And Esports MK1400 Pro Backlit membrane wired gaming keyboard with mixed color lighting, white and black keycaps, double injection keycaps, black. Price is $578 only. If you buy one, it's good. Next video coming soon. Subscribe our channel and share. Thank you.